I did a commerce degree straight out of school, went to uni, did that, and worked in marketing for 8 years. Then I went on to have 3 children, and after that I just couldn't really see myself going back to doing marketing because it just didn't really give me the personal satisfaction that I was after, and I thought that I was sort of destined to do better and do more. Midwifery was something that I'd always been interested in, but I was always a little bit scared, to be honest, of the responsibility. So it took me having my children to realise that I really wanted to do it and wanted to be a part of the midwifery care system in New Zealand. Otago was the only institute that offered midwifery via distance education. So for me, I have a family here and a husband who works here, and I didn't want to have to uproot my whole family to move to Dunedin or Auckland or anywhere else to study. It varies over years. In first year, it's all about following the woman. So you have your theoretical courses that you do online with lecturers that are online as well, that you can hear and you can interact and talk. And then every week you have an akonga, which is like a tutorial where you meet face to face with your other students in a small group, and a tutor who's based in Wellington, a midwifery tutor. You meet and do all your debriefing and practical exercises and practical skill practice with them. The level of our lecturers are amazing. They take our phone calls when we've had bad births and debrief things over good and bad experiences, and just sort of support us through. And if there's any things that may pop up along the way throughout your degree, they're the first people that you go to and talk to. So I couldn't rate them highly enough. I think the thing I find most rewarding is when women surprise themselves. So if they're having challenges, and just that perseverance and supporting them through any of those challenges, whether it's in their birth or whether it's postnatally with breastfeeding or things like that, and to think that you've supported them through that, that's a pretty awesome experience. Studying at Otago has definitely prepared me for a career as a midwife. It's sort of all-encompassing, the study, the theory, the clinical practice, following the woman, following the midwife, living the life of a midwife as a student. It makes it quite real, and you know exactly what you're in for. And a really supportive environment, a really supportive midwifery team to get you through. I can't imagine doing it anywhere else.